Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with my 2018 holiday project. It is a Santa sack, a beautiful, beautiful piece, guys. I cannot wait to share this with you all. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can hear it, but it jingles, jingles, jingles. So it has the appearance of it being a full or stuffed Santa sack. Beautiful, beautiful decor on here. Very simple, but still beautiful, giving you that wow factor, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got lots of texture on the outside. I did a tissue paper treatment on the outside, and it just turned out really beautiful. Here, you're getting all of that glitter effect that you see in real life. Sometimes on camera, it's kind of hard to show that, but look at how beautiful all the beautiful glimmer and sheen that it has. This gorgeous Santa is from the Holiday Joy paper collection. I will share that with you all in just a minute. So beautiful, nice mix between the jute and the fur. I love these two different fabrications on here. Just very gorgeous, very three-dimensional, perfect home decor piece. And of course, it is a memory keeping piece, right? So it opens up. Look at that to reveal the album. Look at how cute this is. So there are the two pieces. Let's talk paper very, very quickly. It's this paper collection right here. It's titled Holiday Joy, and it is by Paper Phenomenon. So if you would like to pick it up, there is a link in the description box on where you can pick it up. And I promise you're going to love it. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So let me take you in on a tour of this beautiful album featuring the Holiday Joy collection. So, with the sack, you have two options. When you buy the tutorial, it comes with an SVG file to cut this out with your electronic cutting machine, whether that be a Cricut, a Silhouette, whatever you got, guys. Or if you don't have an electronic cutting machine, you can pick up the pre-cut chipboard pieces on my website. All right. So I have both options, the pre-cut pieces or the SVG file that comes with the tutorial. So regardless, you get the SVG file when you buy the tutorial. All right. But you don't have the extra expense of getting the pre-cuts if you have a cutting machine. All right. So look at how cute. Super duper duper cute. So let's see how it closes up just perfectly. Absolutely perfect. So I know that many of you say, gosh, I cannot make that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I pride myself on making projects that give you the wow factor, but still very doable, very simple to assemble. All right. All you have to do is follow the instructions, and I promise, promise, promise that you can do it. If you can't, you send me an email, but you will be able to. All right. That I guarantee. So let's take a look at this paper and this gorgeous cover. So the tutorial comes with the sack and the album. All right, look at how beautiful. All of the embellishments that you see featured in this album are included in the paper collection, including this three-dimensional flower right here, poinsettia, which is so gorgeous. So this all comes in the paper collection. You just have to cut it out. All right, the embellishments, everything. So really sweet cover, small album, but it's what I'm calling a mighty mini. All right, this album is so loaded with real estate. So mighty mini, guys. Okay. Um, Here we've got a simple inside cover pocket. All right. And I get lots of glare with my camera. So I may hold it like this throughout the video so you guys can really see the colors of this paper. Like this evergreen is just so beautiful. And there's so much detail in the paper that I would love for you guys to be able to see it. If you don't, when you get the paper at your home, you're going to see how absolutely exquisite this paper is in terms of the feel of the paper and the beautiful artwork. It's just really, really something to look at and something to use for your projects. So let me take you in, guys. So this has that really simple string closure here. Right. I did something a little bit different with the on how to attach these, and you'll see that in the tutorial. Really simple, but you keep a low profile. Hopefully you can see that there is not a lot of bulk there. It's really important to me not to add bulk in my projects. I really dislike it. I want areas for I want to leave room for my photos, not embellishments. So I have a lot of photos in here. These place with photo stamps are by the Crafty Chateau. I will link you down below as well. She has all sorts of different stamps, and I am a consumer just like you all. So if you want to pick up these holiday place with photo stamp replace with photo stamps, they say all sorts of cute things like Dear Santa, I've been very naughty this year. I have not removed and replaced this with a photo. Ho ho ho, replace with photo. And it's just something to jazz up those plain photo mats. Uh, if you want to do it up, right? So it just dresses it up. And you'll see exactly what I mean because I left some without the stamp so you can see that this just gives it a finished look, guys. So if you're so inclined, go ahead and check down below and pick those up at the Crafty Chateau. So here, pocket card, also all the pocket cards also included in the paper collection. So here I cut the pocket card just to have a an insertion point, and I have a super cute tag and bow in there. And then back, this closes up again, and you can either do like this to look at the back side or just extend it all the way out. It is entirely up to you. So there's that closure. All right, and then that opens up. Look at how freaking fabulous is this? Look at that paper, how gorgeous. The color on that paper is just magnificent. So I backed all of my embellishments to cardstock. I left an 1/8 inch border. I do that with my scanning cut, and if you watch my classes, I have done it on my in my classes several times, so you'll be able to catch that in several videos. And I believe I also did it for a few Kit Club classes. All right, so again, all of these embellishments, they come in with the paper collection. Look at how cute that is. Again, back to the cardstock, the tag, the Merry Christmas back to cardstock. And this is one of the pocket cards. I cut out this portion of it just so I can have something different other than the squared off pocket card. All right, that flips over. Look at how gorgeous. Beautiful. Now you're really going to be wowed with the photo space here, guys. Look at this. So cute little tuck area here. Look, 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 look. So all of those photos already. More pocket card. Beautiful paper. Gorgeous, gorgeous paper. I left this undone so you could slip the photo there. Open, open. Look at that. See that? And zoomed in so you can really, really see the paper, but you can't see the entire album because I zoomed in. And then you open one more time. And here is a play on my deconstructed envelope, but these are all photo flaps. Let me zoom out so you can see the entire page here, or almost the entire page. If I flip it this way, you can see it. So you have lots of room for photos. You have the photo mat arrangements are placed so that you can tell the story. It's not going to be a disjointed looking story. Everything's going to be beautifully, beautifully placed once you add your photos, and you're going to be able to just enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. So really easy to navigate. It's going to be a pleasure looking at this album, not trying to figure out what comes up, what comes down, what goes in, and what goes out. All right, so flip that over. Simple side loading pocket here, and then the album repeats itself. So I didn't put any photo mats, I think, in the rest of the album, so you can really look at the matting here because that's what I know you all love to look at. That's how you get inspiration to work on your own projects. So again, another one of these closures here, very simple. Look at that paper, how beautiful. This is a navy blue paper. I really hope that you guys are getting that in this camera shot because it is gorgeous. It's like a midnight blue. Really beautiful. That opens up like that. Or if you close that up, let's make believe I did the little swoopy, swoopy, swoop. Flip that over. Look, another pocket here for some goodies. All right, my intention is to add some pattern paper here to the middle area. I just haven't decided which paper to add. So that's why it's still undone. I can't make up my mind. So again, repeating itself, open, cute little tuck areas. I did a signature cut into that bow, and that's of course a part of the paper. And here is the continuation. So just for some fun tuck areas. Here's what it looks like with the plain photo mat, which you may love. If you don't, then you add the place photo here. It is entirely up to you. The white in this case represents the photo. Okay, represents the photo. So that goes up. All right. This comes down like so. And then you have all of this. So signature cut into this bow here so I can have a tuck area. All right. So look at that. And again, this is that beautiful midnight blue paper. It is stunning. Really beautiful. Ugh, I just love looking at this paper. Gorgeous. And again, so the album repeats itself. Really sweet side loading pocket here, guys. Look at how cute that looks tucking out of there. Look at the bulbs, the lights on that tree, how they just it looks like there are lights in that tree on paper. It's really beautifully done. You are going to love it. I promise, promise, promise. So let's undo very quickly. Open, open, and you can tuck things. There's all sorts of tuck areas here, so you can do it up however you want. Really fun, guys. A fun album. You're going to really love making this one and adding your photos because it's easy. It's easy, but still with the wow factor. Okay, holding the album up again because I really want you guys to see the colors and all of the design work in this paper because it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that gift right there. That beautiful deep, deep red. Gorgeous, like a burgundy wine color. Just stunning. And there is Santa. Love that Santa. Decorate your Christmas with joy. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. May all your days be happy and bright. Merry Christmas with all the trimmings. How beautiful. Look at that train. How gorgeous. Beautiful. Opens up. And again, you've got your flip, your flip, your flip, and your flip. And then this area just to place some items in there. All right. So really beautiful. I hope you guys love it. Another wonderful mini album. Again, I'm calling this a mighty mini because as of late I've been making mighty minis. I've been making really small albums uh so that you guys can use 6x6 pads, 8x8 pads. But they have a lot of room, very useful areas. So no worries, you'll be able to get your pictures in here. Look at how beautiful this looks. This is a side loading pocket, side loading pocket. If you pick up my digital collection, you can print it in the 8x8. You can print it in the 6x6. So you have your choices of 12x12, 8x8, or 6x6. And it's stunning. And they're perfect for the smaller albums. All right. I use the 12x12 on this because that's what everyone got in my kit club. But you can absolutely print it in the 8x8 and it's just stunning, stunning, stunning. This is printed on copy paper, cheapo copy paper, guys, that you print your office, your memos on in the office, okay? And on a laser jet printer, a basic office printer, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. I just wanted you to see what it looks like in this 8x8 is really beautiful. And the embellishments are so much fun in the 8x8. Look at that. Still, the lights on that tree, they look like they are on. So check out the pocket cards, how cute they look. So again, if you pick up the digital collection, there are your borders. I showed you this in the paper. There's that train border. Let's see what else. These are the embellishments that you can cut out All right. Or you can use your scanning cut to cut them out. Really cute in the 8 by 8. So you can see the difference between the 8 by 8 and the 12 by 12. Let's see. I'm missing a page. I am missing a page of embellishments. Oh, here it is. Look it. So you can see the difference. This is a 12 by 12. This is in the 8 by 8. What you get when you cut them out. It's really night and day. Night and day. There's that tag. There's that. Let me show you the 25. I know exactly where that is. Oh, here's a tag. See that? The difference within that. And the 25 is right here. There's a 25, 12 by 12, 8 by 8. So it's really nice to have the digital collection if you want to print out the embellishments smaller. Let's say if you want to make cards or you have a smaller album, you want to fit more of the images. It's really, really good to have. So all of my paper collections are available in the digital version. So if you haven't picked up the digital collection, please do so. Let me know what you think about this project. I think it's beautiful. I think it's another winner for in terms of my holiday projects. So this year I did the Santa sack and I also did the spiderweb box. So let me know if you love them. I will link you down below. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon and happy holidays. Super, super cute. Until next time.